In a city buzzing with secrets, two unlikely friends were about to embark on an extraordinary journey. Meet Whiskers, a sleek black cat with bright green eyes and a tiny, adventurous red backpack. Every day after school, Whiskers had a special mission, a rendezvous only he knew about. The city was his playground, a labyrinth of sights and sounds waiting to be explored. He moved with purpose and silent grace, each step bringing him closer to his destination. Meanwhile, across town, a different kind of cool was making its presence known. This was Buster, a golden retriever, effortlessly stylish in his shades, leaning against the car. Buster wasn't just any dog, he was the mastermind, the wheels behind their grand escapade. He waited patiently, a picture of calm sophistication amidst the city's hustle and bustle. His gaze, hidden behind dark lenses, scanned the street, anticipating his partner's arrival. Suddenly, a flash of black caught his eye. Whiskers had arrived, his green eyes gleaming. A subtle nod, a silent signal passed between them, a bond forged in shared adventure. Whiskers, with newfound urgency, began to cross the busy street weaving through traffic. Buster, ever the gentleman, smoothly extended a paw, pressing the car's door handle. The door swung open, an invitation to their next thrilling chapter, their secret world. Without hesitation, Whiskers gracefully leaped inside, settling into the luxurious interior. The door clicked shut, sealing them within their mobile sanctuary, ready for anything. With a soft purr of the engine, the sleek car pulled away, disappearing into the urban landscape. Their adventure had truly begun, a tale of friendship, courage, and city exploration. Where would they go next? Only Whiskers and Buster knew the answer to that exciting question. Join them on their next secret mission as they continue to explore the hidden wonders of their city.